Hi, this is Cole with the Sound Organization. Today we're going to unbox a Rega Planar 1 Plus and see what's inside. Alright, let's take a closer look. First, we'll find our instruction manual here, taped to the dust cover. Then you'll find your RCA leads and your power supply here. Tucked into this piece, you'll find your counterweight for your tone arm. And we'll remove the bag here. There's a small piece of tape here to hold the tone arm in place while it's shipped. And underneath the platter, there's a little piece of cardboard. Slip the counterweight on, and then plug in your power supply and RCA phono leads. Thanks for watching the Planar 1 Plus unboxing video. For more content, including setup instructions for the Planar 1 Plus, please check out our other videos.